Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jaquisha Latisse, and this video is a twist out tutorial. Here I am parting my hair so I can get the section ready to detangle. Then I'm using a wide tooth comb to detangle. Then I am going to go in with the Cantu curling cream, just a little bit. Once that is on my hair, I will go in with coconut oil from Trader Joe's. And then I will follow up with some shea butter to seal the moisture in. And once I do that, I'll part a little section and split it in half. And I start twisting down and adding hair as I go. Once I add all of the hair and I can't add any more, I just two-strand twist down like a regular twist. Then I spray some water towards my ends. And I also add some curling mousse so that I can perm rod the rest of the hair up, so I can have those nice looking curls. Then I take down another section and I repeat the same thing. I detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. I add the curling cream. Then I add the coconut oil. And I seal all that moisture in with the shea butter. Again, I split the small section in half. I twist down and add hair as I go. And once I get down towards the end, I just two-strand twist down like a regular twist. But before I finish twisting down, I spray some water on my ends. Then I add curling mousse. And I use a perm rod to roll it up. Roll my ends up. And I repeat those steps throughout my whole head, and you'll see it again. So now I'm finally on my last twist, and I'm doing the same thing, detangling, adding some curling cream, some coconut oil, and I seal it in with the shea moisture. Once I get down to the ends, I add some water and I put some curling mousse on it and curl it right on up with a perm rod. So now this is the finished look. This is how it looks. And then so I sleep on with a bonnet, and this is the next day. I'm taking the hair down, but first I need to make sure all of the twists are dry. So I use the blow dryer on medium heat, and then I seal it in with some cool heat as well. Then I'm going to use some Jamaican black castor oil to take the twist down. Just to coat my hands with it and take the twist down so that it won't freeze up. So it won't frizz up, not freeze up, y'all. And I am slowly taking the twist down because I don't want any frizz to happen. And now I am taking out the very last twist in the back. I probably should have done the back twist, like separated them into two, because they were kind of big and didn't get as defined as the ones in the front. But oh well, it still came out good to me, and everybody at work liked it, so I love it. So taking down the last twist, still have that Jamaican black castor oil on my hands. And then once I am done taking it down, I am going to go in with a wide tooth comb and fluff my roots up some, just so I can add more volume to the hair. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video.